What is the highest gallantry award of the Indian Army? A. Paramveer Chakra. B. Ashok Chakra. C. Veer Chakra. D. Mahavir Chakra. Correct answer is Paramveer Chakra. What is the highest civilian award given in India? A. Padma Shri. B. Bharat Ratna. C. Padma Bhushan. D. Padma Vibhushan. Correct answer is Bharat Ratna. Who wrote the Indian national anthem, Jana Gana Mana? A. Aurobindo Ghosh. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Who is known as the father of Indian space program? A. S. Somnath. B. Satish Dhawan. C. Vikram Sarabhai. D. K. Radhakrishnan. Correct answer is Vikram Sarabhai. Who wrote the national anthems of two countries? A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Qazi Nazrul Islam. D. Muhammad Iqbal. Correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which was the first newspaper in India? A. Bengal Gazette. B. Samvad Kaumudi. C. Mirat ul Akbar. D. Hindu Patriot. Correct answer is Bengal Gazette. Which Indian state is known as the land of the rising sun? A. Nagaland. B. Tripura. C. Mizoram. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. India's first paper mill was built at A. Calcutta. B. Serampore. C. Nahati. D. Asansol. Correct answer is Serampore. Highest part of southern plateau in India is A. Anaimudi. B. Tibetan Plateau. C. Satpura. D. Eastern Ghats. Correct answer is Anaimudi. What is the motto of the Indian Air Force? A. Touch the sky with glory. B. Courage and sacrifice. C. Service before self. D. Strength in unity. Correct answer is Touch the Sky with Glory. Who composed the Indian national song, Vande Mataram? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Premlata Agrawal. B. Santosh Yadav. C. Bachendri Pal. D. Arunima Sinha. Correct answer is Bachendri Pal. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Asha Bhosle. C. M. S. Subbulakshmi. D. Shreya Ghoshal. Correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. What is the name of the largest Indian state by population? A. Maharashtra. B. West Bengal. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who was the first British Chief Justice of Supreme Court during British period? A. Sir Robert Chambers. B. Sir Edward Hyde. C. Sir Henry Russell. D. Sir Eliza Impey. Correct answer is Sir Eliza Impey. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Kerala. D. Karnataka. Correct answer is Kerala. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Swami Vivekanand. B. Sardar Patel. C. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. D. Arbindo Ghosh. Correct answer is Sardar Patel, who is known as the Missile Man of India. A. C.V. Raman. B. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. C. Vikram Sarabhai. D. Dr. Homi Bhabha. Correct answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The first national park of India is A. Kanha National Park. B. Rajaji National Park. C. Jim Corbett National Park. D. Nanda Devi National Park. Correct answer is Jim Corbett National Park. Which city in India is known as the City of Joy? A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. Delhi. D. Bangalore. Correct answer is Kolkata. What is the name of the first Indian satellite? A. Aryabhatta. B. Rohini. C. Bhaskara. D. INSAT 1B. Correct answer is Aryabhatta. Which state in India receives highest annual rainfall? A. Nagaland. B. Meghalaya. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Mizoram. Correct answer is Meghalaya. Which city in India is known as the Pink City? A. Jaipur. B. Indore. C. Chennai. D. Bangalore. Correct answer is Jaipur. Which of the following Indian state is biggest in terms of area? A. Maharashtra. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is Rajasthan. Which of the following Indian state is smallest in terms of area? A. Sikkim. B. Goa. C. Nagaland. D. Tripura. Correct answer is Goa. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? A. Pratibha Patil. B. Padmaja Naidu. C. Sucheta Kripalini. D. Amrit Kaur. Correct answer is Sucheta Kripalini. Who was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India? A. Kiran Bedi. B. Fatima Bibi. C. Leila Seth. D. None of these. Correct answer is Fatima Bibi. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Pratibha Patil. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Annie Besant. Correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Who is the first Field Marshal of India? A. Arjun Singh. B. Sam Manekshaw. C. Jagjit Singh Arora. D. R.D. Katari. Correct answer is Sam Manekshaw. When we celebrate the Indian Navy Day? A. the 6th of March. B. the 4th of November. C. the 4th of December. D. the 15th of August. Correct answer is the 4th of December. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel to get more interesting GK and current affairs.